everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a 6-stranded round braid. Let's get started. To begin, we will separate our ropes into groupings of 3. So you should have 2 groups of 3 ropes. We will take the rope on the end of the right group and send it behind and around so it comes out on the left side. We're then going to take it and go over, under, and over the 3 strands that were on the left, and then we just bring it back so it's in front on the side of the right. And then we're going to repeat these steps, but this time we're going to take the string here on the right side. It's going to come behind and around everything. And then again, we just weave it over, under, and over, and then we send it back to the left. And that's all there is to this braid. We'll just keep repeating these steps, alternating the sides. So now we go back to the right and take the one on the end. It goes behind, so it comes around, then it goes over, under, and over. And then you send it back to the right side. And now it's time for the left again, so we send it behind, and you just weave it over, under, and over. And you might have to kind of tug all your ropes up every now and then just to place them up high. You do want to keep this braid fairly tight. It's time for our right side again, so we just take the one on the far right, send it around. It's now on the far left, and I just send it over, under, and over, and then put it back on the right. And as you do this, you'll notice that it does start to round, and that's what we want. We want a rounded shape. Now, it's easy to sometimes get off track and you want to repeat the side you started on. I know it happens to me a lot. So a little trick is if you do start on the wrong side, you'll notice that when you do it, it will line up with the previous rope. So as you can see, I just did the wrong side, and so I have 2 in a row here. You don't want that to happen. You want it to be alternating in the weaving pattern, so you'll know right away that you made a mistake, so just take it back around if that happens, and then start on the right side. So I needed to go on this side, which is on the right, and I just send it over, under, over, and back to the right. And you can do this braid for as long as you want it to be. Alright, to secure this knot, you can do a gathering knot or an overhand knot. It really depends on what you're using this braid for. So since I'm just doing it as a demonstration, I'm just going to tie it off with an overhand knot. And that way it's secure, so I can show you that it is a rounded braid. So you can see it is all the way around. Very pretty. This would be wonderful to use in plant hangers. This is great for bracelets and other jewelry. You can use it for keychains. You can use it for wall hangings, really anything that you want. Just be creative with it. It's a really pretty braid and I just love the rounded effect it has. So I hope you guys found this video useful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.